Okay, let's start this unboxing of Apple Watch. Sorry I have a squeaky chair, so this might be annoying. But I'm going to pull the tab. This is the Series 5 watch. This is my first Apple Watch, if anyone cares. Okay, so nice engraved logo. I like that. So I see we have some tabs here. Yes, we pulled them. Now that's fancy. That's fancy. Okay, so this is on the inside. Very nice packaging. So we have the strap. I ordered the Milanese black metal strap with my black Series 5 watch. So let's open the strap first, I suppose. Why not? If I can grab the... I really like this new packaging Apple's doing. It's very easy to open. If I can grab it. Okay. Okay. No knives required or anything. Again, amazing packaging. And look at that. Oh my god, it's amazing. I want it out, I want it out. This feels so good. Like, this feels so good. Okay, let's put the strap aside. And let's open the watch, shall we? I think there is a tab on the bottom of the... So yeah, I never had an Apple Watch before. And it's gonna be so handy for things. Like I can have a guitar tuner on it. That aside, okay, I think this is all that's holding it. Okay. Okay, yes. That's the watch itself, inside this packaging. But before we get to watch, we have some manuals and let me guess, Apple stickers are here as well. Maybe not. No Apple stickers, what? Maybe I'm blind. Okay. Put this aside. We have the charge panel, power brick, which is a UK power brick for me. I think I'm gonna charge with my iPad charger, to be honest. But again, let's put this aside, and this is so cute. Like this little holder for the watch case. There we have it. Apple Watch. Aluminium, black, Series 5. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, got it in finally. That wasn't easy at all. So, that's the watch. So, let's just... there we go. Pairing process. Hold to the camera. And that's it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a bit.